Now see applications of trigonometry in a right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. If two sides are given, we can find the third sides. For example, if in a right angle triangle, right angled at B, if the two sides are given, AB let 3 cm, BC 4 cm, and here if we have to find AC, then here we can use under root AB square plus BC. It means 3a square plus 4a square, 3a square 9, 4a square 16, sum 25 square root 5. Or if in a right angle triangle A or let P Q R right angle at Q, if here PR is given 10 cm and QR is given 8 cm, here we can find PQ. PQ here perpendicular, so it will be hypotenuse PR square minus base QR square. Here it is 10 square minus 8 square, 10 square 100 and 8 square 64. Difference is 36 square root 6 cm. But if only one side and one angle is given and we have to find the other sides, then we cannot use this Pythagoras theorem. It means पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज करके आप तीन साइड में से दो साइड दिए हैं तो तीसरा साइड फाइंड कर सकते हैं। लेकिन यदि किसी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का ओनली वन साइड दिया हो और वन एंगल दिया हो, तो इसके लिए हम ट्राइग्नोमेट्री का हेल्प लेंगे और ट्राइग्नोमेट्री को हेल्प करके कुछ एप्लीकेशंस को देखेंगे, जिसे हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। नाउ सी हियर, इफ इन ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, इफ in a right angle triangle A, B, C, here if one angle is given, usually when we see any object in front of us, there may be at the 2 points. If that is on a high, if let an A object is at the height of h, and if we see from ground level P, then between that object and our eye there is an vision angle, or from a high if we see on any object, then there is also an vision eye, and so the vision angle is of the two types, elevation angle and depression angle. Elevation angle, it means when we see from low to high with the ground, that is called elevation angle. And if we see from a high to low, that is depression angle. Okay, it means low to high is called elevation angle and high to low is depression angle. Here now see, if ABC is a triangle and only one side, let BC is given 20 cm. and this vision angle, it means elevation angle, is given 60 degree, and we have to find AB and AC. If we have to find here AB and AC, at first see what is given. Here the base is given, and at first if we have to find perpendicular, then the relation between perpendicular and the base. Here the relation between perpendicular and the base is 10. It means we have learned that tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So here tan थीटा के प्लेस पे 60 डिग्री, tan थीटा इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर, हैव टू फाइंड AB and base is 20. Now the value of tan 60 value of tan 60 is root 3, or we can write root 3 by 1 also, and equal to AB by 20. So AB will be 20 root 3. Or numerical value, if we want to find, then we can write here 20 into 1.732. Our product will be 0, 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6, 2 7 jar 14, 4 in and 1, or 2 1 jar 2 1, 3 2 number पे decimal. It means 34.64 मीटर RCM, जो भी है, जो भी यूनिट दिया है. Now see, if we have to find AC, here the base and the hypotenuse. The relation between base and hypotenuse is cos, because cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Here cos theta equal to 60, base is 20, hypotenuse have to find, and here cos theta equal to 1 by, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. What? Cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 equal to 2 by AC, cross multiply, here AC equal to 40 C. It means with the help of trigonometry we can find the other sides if one side and one angle is given. Now on the basis of this process we can find various applications, various problems as given in your exercise, NCERT exercise. It is 9.1. See question number first. In question number first, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, which is tightly attached and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Let on ground there is a vertical pole. Let it is pole represented by PL, and from a point A to P a rope is tied tightly, and which length is 20 meter. A circus player is climbing on this rope AP. Circus player is climbing on this rope A to P, which is high from the L. It means vertical pole. Now it is saying that find the height of the pole. Here we have to find height of the pole. It means PL have to find. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree, it means rope and between ground the angle is 30 degree. It means here theta is given 30. Now here we have to find height. It means perpendicular, where hypotenuse is given. So the relation between hypotenuse and perpendicular sine, here we should know that sine theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here sine theta equal to 30 degree, perpendicular PL have to find, and H it mean hypotenuse. H mean height, no, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given 20. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular PL have to find, and the hypotenuse AP is given 20. Here sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 equal to PL by 20. Here 2 1 jar, 2 10 jar. So PL equal to 10 meter. Also here we have to find the height of the pole. If the okay, it means now your answer is complete. ठीक है, according to question ALP will form a right angle triangle in which as a rope, it means hypotenuse is given 20 meter, and the vision angle, it means elevation angle is 30 degree, and we have to find perpendicular, I mean PL. So the relation between hypotenuse and perpendicular sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular PL and sin 30, hypotenuse is given 20, sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, and so 2 to 20 cancelled by 10, so PL equal to 10 meter. In question number 2, a tree breaks due to a storm, and the broken part bent so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. It means a tree is such, let T R, and let it is ground. According to question, the tree is broke down from a point A and bend and touch the ground at, let T dash, and it is saying that the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. It is 8 meter, and making the angle of 30 degree. ठीक है, it means according to question TR is a tree. Due to a storm, it break from a point A and bow down on the ground and touch at a point T dash. The distance between root of the tree and the point where it touches it is 8 meter, and the angle between the top of the tree which touches to the ground between ground is 30 degree. And here we have to find TR, it means length of tree. Total length of tree have to find. So here we have to find AR and AT dash both, and then add, that will be equal to TR, because here AT is equal to AT dash because the same length has bent. So here At first, base is given. At first, find the perpendicular. Relation between perpendicular and base is 10. So, at first, using tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Here, tan theta equal to 30 degree. Perpendicular AR and the base 8. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 equal to AR by 8. Cross multiply AR root 3 equal to 8. AR equal to 8 by root 3 meter. Again, to find 80 dash, it is hypotenuse of the triangle. So, we can use here sin theta equal to perpendicular R. Later directly cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Here cos theta equal to 30. It means cos 30 equal to base 8 meter and the hypotenuse is 80 dash. Here the value of cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Value of cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. So here 8 by 80 dash. Now 80 dash into root 3 equal to 8 to 16. Or 80 dash equal to 16 by root 3. So again, here we have to find TR, which is sum of AR plus AT, and here AR and AT equal to 80 dash. So AR is 8 by root 3, 80 dash is 16 by root 3. So denominator are same, root 3, 8 and 16, 24. TR is 24 by root 3. Now you have to rationalize it. It means multiply with root 3 by root 3. It is TR equal to 24 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 8 jar. So 8 root 3 meter is the answer. It means total height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Now see question number 3. In question number 3, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter. It means a slide is at the height of 1.5 meter. Let A, B and C. Here again is inclined an angle of 30 degree to the ground. The slide inclined 30 degree to the ground. And whereas the for elder children, she wants to have a step slide at a height of 3 meter. And another slide which is for above 5 years PQR. It is the height of 3 meter which inclined 60 degree to the ground. Now what should be the length of the slide in each case? It means according to question we have to find separately AC and PR. In a school there are 2 types of slides. It means slope to play for the children. For below 5 years the slide is height of 1.5 meter. Okay, which include the angle of 30 degree to the ground, and for above to 5 years in another slide is 3 meter high, which include 60 degree to the ground. In both case we have to find the length of slide, it means AC and PR separately alag. Now here at first in triangle ABC, here theta is given 30 degree, height it means perpendicular is given 1.5, and we have to find hypotenuse. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, the relation by sin theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here sin theta equal to 30, perpendicular 1.5, hypotenuse have to find. Let H1. So sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 1.5 by H1, cross multiply, it means H1 equal to 3 meter. It means length of the first slide for below 5 years old children is 3 meter. And in second case, it means in triangle PQR, here theta equal to 60 degree. Again using same sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here sin theta, here theta equal to 60, perpendicular PQ is given already 3, and the hypotenuse PR are H2 length. Have to find H2. Let it is H1 and it is H2. Okay. Here sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 equal to 3 H2. So here cross multiply, we can write H2 root 3 into 2 3 are 6. ठीक है, or we can write H2 equal to 6 by root 3. Now you can rationalize again here. So here root 3 by root 3. Here H2 equal to 6 root 3, root 3 equal to 3. So it is H2 equal to 2, 3 to 2 jar. So it is 2 root 3 meter. Our numerical value you can find 2 into 1.732. So it may be 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6, 2 7 jar 14 4 in an 2 7 jar 14 4 in an 1, 2 1 jar 2 1 3. It means approx 3.5 meter. Okay.